Oh, Mirasol, para sa'yo. Kahit di ko pa handa, andito lang ako. Kahit hindi pa oo sa ngayon. Maghintay lang sa tamang panahon. Asahan mo ako'y sa'yo. Oh, Mirasol, para sa'yo. Ang ngiti sa iyong labi at ningning ng iyong mata, ito'y ligaya sa aking mundo. Kahit lumipas man ang panahon, asahan mo ako'y sa'yo. Asahan mo ako'y sa'yo. Oh, Mirasol, para sa'yo. Ang ngiti sa iyong labi at ningning ng iyong mata, ito'y ligaya sa aking mundo. At kahit lumipas man ang panahon, asahan mo ako'y sa'yo. Asahan mo ako'y sa'yo.
Mellow 947 BFM. Hello there and welcome to the show. This is Mellow Live. My name is Anne, and this afternoon we got a singer, songwriter, and Sony Music Philippines artist whose songs move through indie pop, alternative OPM, acoustic hugot, and those very Pinoy feelings that we all understand and can relate to, from Mirasol to Torpe, from street busking to singing his way into your playlists. We are getting to know this incredible artist and the stories behind his songs. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Leo in the house. Woo!
Let's go! Good morning po.
Hello there, Leo. Kamusta? Kamusta naman? We are live, by the way, on Facebook and on TikTok. So go ahead and say hello to your fans.
Hi, hello. Kumusta kayo?
It's good to see you again, Leo. I think ang huling kita natin when you guested on Beautiful Day, that was October 2025. Tagal na
Yes
rin,
po,
ah.
tagal
Yeah,
na rin.
almost a year na rin. And I wanted to ask, kamusta? What have you been up to since we last saw each other?
Gigs, recording, and live.
Wow.
Yeah.
And like I mentioned kanina, no, from street busking to singing your way into the playlists of so many people all over the country. I love your story from humble beginnings. Nagsimula ka as a street busker, 'di ba? For those who are listening right now and just discovering you now, kwento mo naman sa amin yung paano nagsimula ang lahat.
Paano nagsimula ang lahat? Nagsimula siya nung na-lift yung pandemic, nung pwede nang lumabas. So, I decided na sige, I will try my luck sa music kasi ito talaga yung gusto ko. So, I tried busking. Naghanap ako ng areas, may nag-help sa akin na makapasok doon sa areas na yon. We tried i-contact yung sa VGC, sa market. Then luckily ayun, na-select naman na mag-bus ako doon, and the rest is history. Tinuloy-tuloy ko lang. I didn't stop. Tapos ayun po.
But before street busking, were you already making music or were you performing? I don't know.
Performing po siguro.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm doing gigs around the university, malapit sa school ko.
I see. Tapos after the pandemic, naisip mo, you know what? I need a crowd.
Yeah.
I need to perform in front of a crowd. And then when did you realize na parang I want to take this one step further, my singing one step further? So from the street to the studio.
Siguro po while busking kasi parang nasa isip ko na nun na okay, stepping stone ko to. Like nung lahat ng earnings ko sa busking, like pinang-re-record ko ng songs, ganun.
Okay.
Ganun po yung nangyari. Tapos parang tinetest waters ko po, like kumakanta ako ng originals din sa busking din. Tinatry ko if this will stick sa mga manonood, ganun. Tapos ayun, parang trinit ko yung busking as stepping stone talaga po siya. And parang training na rin to connect with people. Kasi real life siya, real time makikita mo yung reaction nila kung okay, nagustuhan ba nila?
Oo. At saka ang sarap siguro ng feeling, no, when you're already drawing a crowd. Kasi ang street busking I feel like it's more challenging because if you perform in a bar, let's say in a bar, may tao na talaga there, di ba? But in street busking, you're going to get their attention right then and there. 'Di ba kasi naglalakad sila, wala naman talaga silang uupuan doon, wala silang time na tumigil and everything. But when they start to gather around you, 'di ba? Yun yung parang wow, that is already the winning moment.
Yes po, kaya rin yung playlist ko like sa busking crafted or kinurate ko talaga na pati yung pagkasunod-sunod para sabi ko.
Meron ba siyang ganong formula?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay, medyo tahimik yung crowd, so ito na yung kakantahin ko for now. Tapos, okay, medyo chill ngayon or medyo madami yung crowd. Meron pa akong like, okay, ito pa kakantahin ko. Yeah.
Siguro meron ka ring like a separate playlist or a different playlist pagka, okay, umuulan ngayon, maaraw ngayon.
Opo, ganun.
Yeah, right.
Parang ang tinatry ko dati, naalala ko sa way back, sa market, ang lala po ng foot traffic dun, diba?
Yeah.
So, parang, doon ko na-discover na, dapat pala ganito yung mga series of songs, ganito yung pagkasunod-sunod para mas ma-maximize ko yung yung pag-i-stay ng mga tao, ganun.
That is so amazing. Sabi ko nga sa'yo off the air, mag-event tayo ng ganyan. Mag-street busking event tayo,
Yes,
di ba? Tapos ikaw ang una naming artist na iimbitahin. But you opened the show with a song called Mirasol, which is such an interesting title. Can you tell us about, the story behind this, why this title? And Mirasol is a flower.
Yes.
Does that represent something?
Yes po.
Okay.
Actually, this song, nasulat ko to nung pandemic talaga. Pero while imagining na what if one day makakita ako ng someone, parang it's me being hopeless romantic. Na parang nagpe-paint ng idea ako sa mind ko na what if one day makakita ako, I will be more patient, magantay, ganun, sa right time, sa right person. And Mirasol kasi I love sunflowers, so siguro para siyang symbol ng love ko dun sa person. Kasi merong lyric po sa song na yun na maghihintay lang sa tamang panahon.
Oo, kahit hindi ka pa handa, andito lang ako.
Yeah.
Diba? So, it feels like waiting for someone.
Yeah.
For that someone to be ready. Diba?
Opo. Tapos, para po siyang para siyang loving without expecting reciprocation. Like parang, you're just loving.
Akala ko may mirasol talaga in your life.
Wala po.
Like
Sadly.
a particular mirasol in your life, but it's just a representation, diba?
Representation po ng
And you know what I noticed about your songs, Because I remember when you guested on Beautiful Day, you sang the Pritong Itlog song, right? I remember that. So, you can take simple random things like, let's say, rain or pahinga, rest, or flower, mirasol, diba? Or pritong itlog, mag-fry ng egg. And you make them, those simple things, you make them emotional. Diba? So I wanna like touch on your thinking process on how you write your songs. Where do you get your inspiration? And is that how you naturally see the world? Random things and then turn them into something emotional.
Yes, siguro po kasi first of all, I'm a sensitive person, Pisces. So siguro kaya siguro ay ganun ko nakikita yung mga bagay, like parang I'm all about the emotions, the vibe.
Ooh.
Kaya,
I remember nga during the interview that you mentioned also that you're kind of an old soul.
yes
Yeah.
po,
So are you
yeah.
naturally drawn to old music, and does that influence the way you make your music, your own music?
I'm drawn to old music naman po. Pero I appreciate yung modern din naman. Pero siguro yung upbringing ko, like yung mga napapakinggan ko pa mula nung
Nung bata.
growing
Oo.
up, ganun. Sa radyo palagi. So, the classics, Apo Hiking, ganun, Ray Valera. So, kaya parang meron akong like sa lyrics, sa feels ng song. So, wow, ito yung mga songs na nag-touch ng maraming lives. So,
Right.
parang ito yung, dito na program yung mind ko na ganito pala dapat yung songs. Parang ganun.
So pag nagsulat ka, ganun din, 'di ba? From random things like frying eggs, nagiging super emotional siya. Can you describe yung aha moment, when it hits you na parang, oh my God, I can actually make a song out of this?
Actually, never ko talaga never kong naisip na magiging matututo ako na like properly write songs kasi I never studied it po. Parang lang, like one day, sabi ko, try ko kaya magsulat lang for fun. Tapos ayun, nagpa-pop lang siya, like yung melody, yung kung basta po ako, kung ano yung nafe-feel ko at the moment, kina-catch ko siya. I'll try to catch that emotion
Okay.
and turn it to words. Tapos ayun, nagma-match naman
So you
siya.
put the words together, tapos dumarating na rin instantly yung melody. Like
First po yung
how
melody.
the melody first.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hinaham ko muna siya. Tapos kung ano yung nafe-feel ko, like magpa-play lang ako ng chord progression. Tapos parang, okay. Ito yung nafe-feel ko ngayon. Or, magsulat kaya ako about sa paborito kong ulam. Pritong itlog.
Oh.
Biglaan na lang siyang ganun.
Pritong itlog no? So we have Leo in the house for Mellow Live, and we're just gonna take a break. But up next, we will get into the anthem of those who are shy, those who overthink, and the people who almost confessed pero hindi. Para sa mga torpe. Pagbalik natin. So we're just gonna take a break. Stay right here. This is Mellow Live on Mellow 947 BFM.
Ang dami kong gustong sabihin sa'yo, ngayon ko lang napagtanto. Gusto ko na sanang aminin ito, hindi na ako magtatago. Ikaw lang ang nilalaman ng puso. Ikaw o minamahal, hindi na to magbabago. Ikaw ang dalangin ko, sa'yo lang iikot ang aking mundo. Tadhana natin ay mapaglaro, ika'y banayad at kalmado. o hinto, nalilito, maingat kong itatanong, paano kung maging tayo? Ikaw, ikaw lang ang nilalaman ng puso. Ikaw, minamahal, hindi na to magbabago. Ikaw ang dalangin ko, sa'yo lang ikot ang aking mundo. Ikaw ang dalangin ko, sa'yo lang hihinto ang aking mundo. Ngayon, ikaw, ikaw lang ang ikaw, minamahal. Ikaw ang dalangin ko, sa'yo lang ikot ang aking mundo. Ikaw ang dalangin ko, sa'yo lang hihinto ang aking mundo. Ikaw lang ang ikaw.
Mellow 947 BFM. You're tuned into Mellow Live. My name is Anne, and with us is Leo in the house. Leo, welcome back to the show. And ang ganda nung opening natin for the second block, for the second half of the show, no? That song is for those who feel everything but can't say anything. Para sa mga gustong umamin, pero siguro hanggang playlist na lang muna. Parang feeling ko ang daming natamaan, got exposed in the nicest way possible. So the song is called Torpe, and it's one of the singles that you have released this year. Am I correct?
Yes po, my recent release is Torpe.
Recent release, yung Torpe na yan. First of all, are you personally Torpe? Are you singing from experience, or you just wrote that song for the Torpe community?
Yes po, I'm singing from experience.
Ayun! I love it. So honest.
Kasi di ko po kaya talaga I'm non-confrontational. So parang
Okay.
dito ko na lang sa song nalagay yung feelings ko for someone.
For Mirasol.
Ah,
Kinonect ko na no? So you met your Mirasol. The Mirasol came into your life. Teka lang, di mo masabi.
pwede po.
Para feeling ko magka-create tayo ng bagong song. So this one, when you wrote this, were you experiencing something na ganun nga, na there was someone in your life and you just couldn't say kung anong gusto mong sabihin?
After effect po siya.
After effect, okay.
Natapos ko na, tapos na yung communication namin nung person na yun. Tapos, sabi ko, hindi ko man lang nasabi sa kanya kung kailan nang late na. Parang, nagkaroon na siya ng relationship sa iba.
Oh.
Sayang, sabi ko.
Oh my gosh, pag kinanta mo ba to, alam ng mga friends mo kung sino yung who the person this song is about?
Hindi po.
Baka dito ma-reveal. Dito ma-reveal sa Mellow. So is that the most Torpe thing you've ever done?
Yes po. Never po talaga ako di ko talaga kaya mag-first move. Magsabi lang na, uy, gusto kita. Parang, pero siguro naman po halata niya nung person na
That
yun.
person.
Yeah, halata niya.
And do you
kasi.
think that person, if she hears this song, magagets niya na? Okay,
Opo.
Ay, oh my God, I'm so kilig! Parang kinilig ako doon. Also, since you are experiencing it yourself, what is the official Leo advice for all the torpes out there who are loving that song right now and making it their anthem?
Gather
Your courage.
your courage.
Kaya mo yan, tol.
Habang kapag may take the risk or lose the chance.
Ay,
Ganun.
wow! Ganda!
Ruin the friendship.
I love that. Yeah, just you take that leap, 'di ba? And then take the risk, malay mo, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Kaya lang there is also that chance ka of losing the friendship, 'di ba? Kung kunwari
Yeah.
kunwari no ang sagot.
Pero kung totoong friends naman po 'di ba parang
Sabagay.
'di ba ma-accept naman okay,
Yeah.
friends lang naman tayo.
So are you still friends with that person?
Yes.
Really? Showbiz pala tong show na to. No? Hindi alam ni Leo na ang pinasok pala niyang show chismisan pala to, showbiz. But okay, so let's play a little game. I'll call it Torpe or Delulu. So you tell me if it's you being Torpe or you being Delulu. I'll give a situation and sabihin mo kung being torpe or being delusional, delulu, okay?
Game.
So my first situation is making a playlist instead of confessing.
Torpe.
Parang na-guilty ka doon bigla, no? Liking old posts on Instagram to send a signal.
Delulu.
Bakit parang may reaction si Dayan? Delulu?
Opo.
Saying ingat but really meaning to say I like you.
Torpe.
Torpe. Waiting for them to view your story.
Delulu.
Delulu?
Opo.
Oh my gosh! Practicing a confession and then sending ha 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 instead.
Torpe.
Torpe, cute! Thinking that the rain is a sign from the universe.
Delulu.
Bakit?
Ano po, minsan kasi tayo lang gumagawa ng idea sa mind natin.
Ganon.
Oo,
So it's
kaya-
just in our heads.
Opo.
Ah.
Pero minsan naman po, like kung sa mga very spiritual na tao,
Sa bagay,
nanghingi
yeah.
ng sign sa universe, okay, bigyan niyo ako ng sign. Pag umulan, ibig sabihin, magko-confess na ako sa kanya. Pwede.
Parang speaking from experience dun si Leo, no? Posting a lyric and then hoping they know it's for them.
Torpe.
So which of those have you personally done?
Parang lahat po.
So
Hindi
you're a
lang yung
mix of,
liking old posts. Kasi
wag
medyo,
yun.
medyo,
Medyo stalker.
medyo stalker po yun. Saka
Yeah,
parang yung iba
yeah.
kasi ayaw nila bakit mo nilike yan? Mukha akong dyan. Ganun, parang ang ko pa dyan.
So
parang
almost all of
napapahiya
them
sila.
you've done except for the stalkerish part na
Yeah.
na tumitingin sa old posts.
Opo.
Okay. Well, speaking of rain, being a sign of the universe, parang medyo related yun dun sa next song mo. It's called Kapag Umuulan, which was released last year, correct?
Yes, last year po.
What was the story behind this song? I think ito yung kinanta mo when you guested on Beautiful Day, correct?
Yes po.
This is like ibibigay ko ang lahat, pati yung payong ko.
Yes po.
Yeah, so
Oo.
what was going through your, is this like a personal story?
Personal experience.
Personal
actually.
experience.
Yeah.
Okay, sige.
Pumunta ako somewhere like sa mall, malapit
Aha,
lang. Tapos
aha.
may parang waiting shed doon. Tapos umuulan that time. Tapos parang may nakita akong cute na girl. Tapos parang may inaantay siya.
Aha.
Tapos parang siguro sa pagiging hopeless romantic din. Umuulan that time. Tapos parang di ata siguro makauwi to. Malapit lang po ako dun sa mall na yun. Like sa may dala akong payong. Bigay ko na lang kaya sa kanya to.
Okay.
Kaya, and, ayun, plot twist, may sumundo sa kanya.
Oh.
Yun. Tapos siguro nag-paint na lang ako ng picture sa mind ko na,
Sino sumundo sa kanya?
Di ko po alam wala may sumundo sa kanya, nakakotse.
Nakakotse.
Baka grab.
Mali mo naman, grab yun. Naghihintay pala siya ng grab. Ayan, kasi inuna mo yung pagkatorpe mo. Sana lumapit ka na agad with your umbrella. But that's nice. That's a cute story. So, ladies and gentlemen, you'll be hearing it right here on Mellow 947 BFM. Leo on the Mellow 947 BFM studio with a song called Kapag Umuulan.
Kapag umulan at napupuno ng tubig ang daanan, maghanap ng masisilungan kahit panandalian ako'y natunaw nang makita ka sa may tindahan at kahit na di kita kilala ay ibibigay ko ng buo pati ang payong ko sa'yo. O ano pa ang kailangan mo? Halika na nga, sumama kapag tumila ang ulan. Sasamahan hanggang umaga, abutin man tayo ulit ng ulan. Kapag umulan at napupuno ng tubig ang daanan, maghanap ng masisilungan kahit panandalian ako'y natunaw nang makita ka sa may tindahan at kahit na di kita kilala ay ibibigay. Halika na nga, sumama kapag tumila ang ulan. Sasamahan hanggang umaga, abutin man tayo ulit ng ulan. Hindi ko man nakuha ang pangalan mo, pero nakuha mo. Halika na nga, sumama kapag tumila ang ulan. Sasamahan hanggang umaga, abutin man tayo ulit ng ulan. Halika na nga, sumama kapag tumila ang ulan. Sasamahan hanggang umaga, abutin man tayo ulit ng ulan. Abutin man tayo ulit ng ulan. Kung magugunaw ang mundo, bukas sana magkasama tayong dalawa. At kung merong babagsak man na bulala, kawahanapin na kita kaagad. Pupuntahan kita magagawa at walang makakapigil kahit na anong kalamidad. Magbago man ang hangin, ikaw ay hahanapin. At kahit saan mang galing, matatagpuan kita. Kung magugunaw ang mundo, bukas sana magkasama tayong dalawa. At kung merong babagsak man na bulala, kawahanapin na kita kaagad. Pupuntahan kita kahit ano magagawa at walang makakapigil kahit na anong kalamidad. Magbago man ang hangin, ikaw ay hahanapin. Kahit saan mang galing, matatagpuan kita. At kung wala mang pag-asa, magkita pa, yayakapin ko na lang ang alaala. Magbago man ang hangin, ikaw ay hahanapin. At kahit saan mang galing, matatagpuan kita. Matatagpuan kita.
Mellow 947 VFM. You're tuned into Mellow Live with Leo in the house. Hello again, Leo.
Hello po.
And that song is called Kung Magugunaw ang Mundo. And it's one of your newer songs,
Yes,
correct?
po.
Released this year.
Yes, this year, January.
January of this year. Wow, congratulations. And that is a Sony music release,
Yes.
correct? Yes. And ang dramatic nung title, no? Para siyang yung kanta ni Bruno Mars and Lady Gaga, yung Die With A Smile. Diba? If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you.
Yeah.
Parang ganun yung
Parang ganun
yung
po.
theme nito, diba? Now, your fans want to know, ganito ba magmahal si Leo?
Opo, ganito ka-intense.
Ang ganda with conviction yung sagot, di ba?
Ito
Tsaka
ka-intense.
nakatingin talaga siya sa camera. Para eye to eye with the fans. Ganito talaga siya magmahal. And it, I guess it kind of reflects sa songs mo when you write them, no?
Oh, yes po. Super personal siya and mas sobrang aligned siya sa personality ko, like sa kung paano ako as a person mag-isip and yung emotional niya. Yung emotional tawag doon.
Parang connection niya.
Yeah.
Oo.
Yes po.
And if the world were ending, what would matter most to Leo?
Now,
Mm.
family.
Family. Oh, that's
Yeah.
nice.
My mom and my brother.
Okay.
Yeah.
Heart. And maybe your Mirasol? Well, biglang ganun no? So looking at the songs that you performed today, we had Mirasol, we had Torpe, Kapag Umuulan, and then Kung Magugunaw ang Mundo. It feels like, you write about these emotions, these feelings, about waiting, hesitating, remembering and then loving like it's the end of the world, do you realize na yung songs mo, they have this emotional pattern? Or nagkakataon lang?
Nagkakataon po eh.
Okay.
Like, parang, di ko po kasi like, pag sinusulat ko siya, di ko siya iniisip na magkakasama siya. Kasi, yung karamihan po niyan, like, halimbawa yung Mirasol was written earlier, siguro 2 years earlier than, than the other song. So, parang siguro, yung face ko ng live, parang hindi siguro nawawala yung like pagiging hopeless romantic, always finding love, ganun, like looking for love,
parang magiging ganun lagi yung theme because hindi siya nawawala. Right? Maybe not singing for or not writing from your own personal experience, but something that inspires you, 'di ba? At saka you can you can write really beautiful songs from the most random things like frying eggs, diba? Like rain and everything. But since you have written about so many things already, is there a theme that you have not yet explored but you've always wanted to write about?
Ako naman po, I'm always writing. Siguro nagkataon lang na yung mga naunang releases is about dito, about love, about Pero gusto kong ma-explore siguro in the near future is siguro yung mas with depth, mas deeper, like songs with siguro mas metaphoric siya.
Okay.
Like parang yun pala yung meaning nun. Di namin alam parang ganun.
So we can expect deeper songs from
more matured,
Leo in the
more
future.
matured songs.
Ready na siya for mature roles, kumbaga. Now we are going to be talking about your closing song. We won't be able to talk about that later. It's called Paniwalaan. It's a cover song, correct?
It's a cover song.
And it's a Blue Jeans classic. So you're kind of like giving, with the version that you have, you're giving the younger listeners a way to rediscover this song. Did you grow up listening to this track? Was it your favorite?
Yes.
Okay.
I grew up po, pero hindi ko siya masabing favorite, pero lagi ko siyang napapakinggan.
Okay.
Paniwalaan. Like, every Sunday, kapag piniplay po siya sa radio.
Okay.
So, naririnig ko siya especially yung Blue Jeans na version po. Kasi marami ng version na,
marami.
na dumaan. Pero yung Blue Jeans yung naririnig ko na version. Yung mas slower and mas relax. Tapos ayun, parang nung in-offer po sa akin ng manager ko na kaya mo bang gumawa ng rendition na ito? Nag-guess ako agad. Sige po.
Okay.
Very familiar yung song na yan sa akin. Then nung nirelease na, before release, TikTok, and nag-blew up siya. Di namin... but this song put me in the map po. Like, like parang daming stepping stone dahil sa song na to. Kaya I'm always grateful for this song.
And hindi mawawala sa set list mo talaga.
Yes,
Ang paniwalaan. And when you sing, paniwalaan mo ang pag-ibig kong ito, what kind of love are you asking people to believe in?
Siguro yung love ni God for us. Kasi for me po, parang way before na hindi ko pa siya nare-release, yung time na yun, last year, I'm thinking kasi like, para sa akin pa ba tong music? Para sa feeling ko para siyang love letter sa akin ng maniwala kasi, ganun, parang paniwalaan mo, parang ganun na ito yung purpose mo, like itong music, yung music thing na sinasabi nila sa'yo na, okay, kanta-kanta, ganun. Kasi yung iba po, di ba, yun lang yung nila, like, oy, anong ginagawa ni Leo? Ay, kumakanta-kanta. Tapos parang, pamula nung nangyari to lahat, parang, okay, parang may okay, musician pala siya. Ganon, parang ganon. So,
kaya nga kailangan maniwala lang. And naniniwala kami sa iyo, right? And it's such an amazing journey, from street busking and then all the way to, recording music in a studio, diba? And then releasing your singles. It's a great journey if you look back, diba?
Yes.
But do you ever miss busking?
Lagi naman po siguro yung hype and yung paganda yung crowd. Never naman pong hindi ko mamimiss yun, like yung pakikipag-connect. Though nagagawa ko naman po siya now.
Pag
like,
gigs,
pag gigs, pag campus tours.
Right,
like, maraming crowds. Wow. Yung feeling, euphoric feeling.
Yeah.
Pag-perform.
So magkakaroon tayo ng you guys should watch out for that. We'll create a street busking event, diba? Mellow
soon.
947 BFM brings you this street busking event featuring Leo. Yay!
Yeah.
So what is next for Leo?
Siguro mga releases.
Mhm.
Yeah, for sure mga releases. You can check it out sa social media pages ko. Announce na lang ako doon para walang spoiler. You can follow me at Leopols, LEYOPOLS on all social media platforms, IG, FB, TikTok. And please do stream my songs on Spotify. Leo, Leyo. So yeah.
Thank you so much
Thank you
for
so
your
much, Miss
time,
Anne.
Leo. Thank you for being here. And thank you to everyone who watched on Facebook Live, on TikTok Live. We don't have time to read all the messages, but thank you guys for joining us today. And those listening via their actual radio, of course, thank you very much. This has been Anne. Leo, once again. Woo! Wala kaming dito sound effects na applause. So actual applause na lang kami. Thank you again. And I hope to see you again soon.
See you soon po. Very soon. Dun
Yes. Sa event na yan.
Yeah.
We'll make it happen.
We'll make it happen.
Ina-announce na natin ngayon, di ba?
Claiming it.
Yes, claiming it, manifesting it, exactly. So again, Leo, right here on Mellow Live, and he is going to be closing the show with a Blue Jeans classic, Paniwalaan, and according to him, it's the song that put him on the map, and he will always have this song on his set list. Leo, thank you very
Thank
much
you so
for
much,
joining
bro.
us.
Pag-ibig ko sa'yo'y totoo, ni walang halong biro. Kaya sana'y paniwalaan mo ang pag-ibig kong ito. Walang ibang mamahalin kundi ikaw lamang kilig. Kaya sana'y paniwalaan mo ang pag-ibig kong ito. Sa aking buhay ay walang kapantay, aking pagmamahal, asahan mong tunay. Pag-ibig ko sa'yo'y totoo, ni walang halong biro. Kaya sana'y paniwalaan mo ang pag-ibig kong ito. Sa aking buhay ay walang kapantay, aking pagmamahal, asahan mong tunay. Pag-ibig ko sa'yo'y totoo, ni walang halong biro. Kaya sana'y paniwalaan mo ang pag-ibig kong ito. Ang pag-ibig kong ito, ang pag-ibig kong ito.